I'm in Early Beach in Australia, and today we're doing the Whitsundays boat tour. So we'll walk down to the harbour front. We're on board the vessel. We've got our wetsuits on. Embarrassing. Do you like it? Why not? Chop it. Snorkeling's finished, isn't it, Morris? We're done. Didn't really see that much. Coral's cool though, isn't it?
Yeah, not like fish.
No, there's not really any fish down there, different fish, but the coral's cool because it's actually bright and alive. In Thailand it was all
Not
dead.
that bright though.
Yeah, it was like blue and purple
yeah, not
and
as
yellow.
bright as I've seen on like Pinterest.
Yeah, true.
Yes,
Or it just depends where you go. In sync. Yeah, the water's clear, but the sky isn't.
No chance for getting in that water.
Look at the weather.
I
feel like I'm walking through like savage's wood. I think we're almost at the viewpoint now. The walk's just been like 6 steps in straight line, 6 steps straight line.
Yeah.
Miles is struggling as always. I'm trying to. No, I thought I'd just restart. Miles is getting fed up with the step count. I want to keep up with the group because I don't want to show my weakness that my girlfriend's slacking. Got to drag my teammate through it. Look at this. Touch it, Miles. Here's some more exciting steps. I think we're at the top, so brace yourself for this exciting view. I think the clouds are going to ruin it, but let's have a look, shall we? What are you rating the view, Miles? Out of 10?
It'd be 10 out of 10 if it's sunny, so maybe an 8.
I know. A cloud ruins the view a little bit. Still nice though. It's usually so quiet. And this is what it's supposed to look like, so obviously we're a bit disappointed. Oh well, it's what it is, isn't it? This is the Whitehaven arrival sign. Absolutely full of kids there now as well, pretty good. Just what you want. You can go on the beach now because it's not raining. It still looks sick, but it's obviously better for summer. Actually, there's no clouds. I don't know where to sit. Away from the kids, preferably. I don't know. How clear is this water, Miles? Very clear. I'll let you put your feet in it. You don't want my feet in the video. Yeah, it's so clear. We can't go all the way in, can we? Because there's jellyfish.
See if you can
We're supposed to
actually
wear
see
suits.
my feet.
Yeah, I was there. Miles reckons it's clearer than the place we went in Thailand, Koh Nan Yuan. I'm not. Oh no, I reckon it is, you know. I reckon it is. It just looks so clear. I swear jellyfish are clear though, so if I see one, I ain't gonna know. Mega clear. I reckon. Look, I'll look at the camera. You guys see how clear that was, huh? Because the only other way I can see how clear it is.
Oh my god, no way he's gonna do it. Oh.
Look at the size of this ant. It's like a flying ant. Look at it. It's massive. But that's huge. That's huge. My girlfriend. We're having the best time chilling out in Wales, and now the boat is coming out. So I'm just time for us to go. Where are we going next?
I don't know.
You know what the place is called there now?
No.
Oh. Can't remember what it's called. It's not Hawthorne, it's something else. Okay, we've got a 20-minute, well no, it's a 5-minute hike up, 5-minute hike down at another viewpoint. I think this one's going to be as good as the last one, but the boat stopped off
Yeah,
there,
it will
so.
because this weather's bad.
Nah, it won't because it's too dark over there, because the viewpoint's there and we're going there.
So pretty.
Very pretty.
Look at this pretty boy. Show him your
Anyway, yeah, viewpoints up there, and then we're going to look over that. Look at Moses' red shoulder. Don't know if you can really see it.
Ow! Why would you do that?
Only tapped it. Drama queen, isn't she? Absolute drama queen.
I know, if someone's burnt red raw. Laugh at it.
Take me a red raw beast then. It is quite red there. She burnt it the other day and now it's still burnt. Silly woman. Hazel, I'm pretty sure she said Hazel. She said Hazel. I'm sure the woman said Hazel, not Hazel.
Right,
but
do you think that says Hazel?
I'm an English lesson that. Whatever it is, it's an island that's got a viewpoint, and apparently you can see
Hasselhoff Island.
these frogs and birds and Hasselhoff Island. Huh? Epstein Island. Wish we were going to Epstein Island. We're up the back of the pack because we're too busy talking and taking photos. So we're trailing behind, but this is the walk. Really easy, isn't it, Mo? Well, easy for some. We just felt a bit of rain, but we're at the viewpoint. I'll show you now for a dramatic turnaround. Cool. The grey ruins on that side. Right, that's us done. It was worth the 5-minute walk on that, I'd say. I get sexually harassed.
Stop texting. Literal double D cup. This man got double D's.
Yeah, he does. Huh? Hopefully I'll stop when I get wet there. Oh, it's only fish though. Oh, you can't see
Where the
them
hell
now.
did they come from?
There. This water's still pretty clear, but not as clear as the other side. Is it? Lovely view. Rating out of 10.
Oh. It's better with you here, darling. Oh, you look a bit red.
Oh, do I?
10.
10. Really? I'd rate it, no way it's going to be a 10 in my eyes. It's probably like a 9.
That's
Weather
very rude.
ruined it.
Nothing's going to be a 10.
Yeah, locations.
Okay,
I'm going to video Mole's feet because mine are grim. Yeah, it's like all the way out as well.
Look.
It's literally so clear. There's better beaches than Thailand. I didn't think it'd be this clear here.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. It's not better than Thailand in a way because you can't really go in.
Yeah, unless you want to get eaten or stung or anything else. Right, I didn't speak when we were on this because you just couldn't hear a single thing I was saying. It was so windy and the engine was so loud you couldn't hear a single thing. But they basically just took us on a long tour back past like, all the other islands. There was Hamilton Island, which is where all the rich people stay. I think they said it costs like 2.5k to stay there a night or something like that, and you have to stay for a minimum of 3 nights. There's also a golf course next to that as well, which looked pretty sick. And then as you can see, Mole struggling to keep the towel off her face because it was that windy. It was a shame really, because it would have been so sick if it was actually like dry and sunny, but because obviously it was just raining, everyone was just depressed. Every single person had a coat on. Our tour is now over. I think I'd rate it pretty highly. It was unreal, it was sick tour. The only thing was just the weather ruined a little bit of it at the beginning.
They're really nice food.
Yeah, they actually did have nice food. They literally brought out like, something like really sarcastic. They brought out like made like pasta, potato salad, and like they made us like wraps and rolls and stuff. Like they obviously brought it with them. Yeah, they gave it to us when we got to the island.
Slightly on the snacks.
Yeah, the snacks were a bit ration, but I mean, I didn't really care.
We'll bring around crackers, and they give us 1 cracker.
Yeah, but
and it was like a Ritz cracker.
Yeah, but still, that's is what it is. That is a nice better. Moses just spotted the welcome to Early Beach sign, heart of the reef. I've also had an absolute nightmare. Basically, I left my top underneath the thing on the boat, and it's absolutely soaked. So now I'm walking around topless, like an absolute.
I've got 5 minutes to dry it off.
Yeah, she might try to dry it off, but she couldn't. She wants to go shops now, and I can't really wear that in shops. It's honestly so heavy, so annoying. So the company we booked it, the company was called Zigzag and Gomos. How did we get it?
If you Google Whitsunday boat tours, it's like a list of boat tours, and it was on there with a discount.
There you go. It was how much we paid for it.
I can't remember, but they had 15% off. And
Maybe
it was way
like
cheaper.
maybe like 80 quid. So we paid for it.
No, less than that.
Really, they go less than that. Then obviously it was good. The people were really nice. It was 3 women. They were really nice. Yeah, they said that it's only a small family-run business, so obviously they've only got one boat. It's not like a massive like tour group thing. It was a speedboat, and how many people do we have on it? Maybe like 30 people on it, maybe. So it wasn't like mad busy. And
smaller than the other boat.
everywhere we went, to be fair, we seemed to miss all the other tours. So obviously we weren't like crammed on with like another tour because we seen one.
We did a lookout that none of the other ones did.
Yeah, there you go. And we also did a lookout that no other company does. So that was like a bonus.
Now they shopping.
And now we're going shopping because I can't wait to do that. Yeah. I forgot to film it, but we went to Woolworths and got a load of food. So we're just gonna make food here because we've got an apartment that we can make food. Yeah, wait, man, yeah. We've got an apartment, so we can make food. And we've been craving Nando's, so Moles is gonna make us some Nando's chicken pasta. Yeah, that's it. Pretty boring night, innit, Moles? As always, very boring. We also got mugged off with this pepper. How much was that? Oh, it's mouldy.
No.
Oh, did you record it now? It's mouldy.
No.
Yeah, I didn't use that side, luckily, there. Good thing I didn't. It's literally mouldy inside, look. I assume that's mould. Yeah, it was like £1.30 for one pepper. Moles just picked it up and we scanned it and then, yeah, £1.30. And we also got some chocolate bars for Molly, not for me. Big flow of protein and some raspberries. That is it. Dinner has been served. Moles has got on the...
It looks dead because it has no cheese.
Yeah, it's got no cheese in it, but...
Gosh, it is nice.
I'll just try a bit. So good. It's banging. Oh, it's Nando's. Nando's sauce, yes.
Yay.
And I put some chili flakes on it as well because I'm a freak.